Creating YouTube videos is underrated. Hear me out. We are so used to wanting things fast, and YouTube is not fast. YouTube is like your investment portfolio where it will keep growing through the years. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the underrated features you can tap on whenever you are creating videos on YouTube. These 4 underrated YouTube features can help you gain more views and engagement, and eventually grow your YouTube channel just like your investment portfolio. Feature number 1, the community tab. Even when you first started YouTube channel, you can have this community tab available for you on your YouTube. All you need to do is go to your YouTube page and scroll through until you see the community. So tap on the community tab. This is where you can engage with your audience. You can type in simple text like questions. You can even have poll, whether it's image or text poll. You can add in quiz. You can also upload a video. So some of the content on community tab that I like to upload is to share the videos that is available on my YouTube channel. So whenever I created a new YouTube video, the long form one, I will share out the link and put in some thoughts to that particular videos, like what actually inspires me to create that video, and I put it up into the community tab. Another type of content that I usually put up on community tab is to give like a gist of what my upcoming video is all about. So previously it was about my vlogging in Dubai. So I did a little bit of tease that I've already done the editing for vlogging for Dubai, and they will be expecting the video to be uploaded within that week itself. Another type of content that I like to put up on my community tab is to have like a motivational hacks where it's related to my niche for my audience. So another type of content that I like to do on my community tab is the poll. So sometimes I do have ideas on what to write for the title. So I will actually put it on my community tab and I get some ideas on which title will they highly likely. Like you see on the screen right now, you can see there's 3 different titles that I put up, and I get my audience to vote which title will they highly likely click on. This kind of content is great because you increase the engagement between your subscribers as well on your YouTube channel. Another type of content that I like to put on my community tab is behind the scenes. So what's happening in my business, whether I attended some courses or just a little bit of snippets of what I've done during that day or during that week. So I will put up on my community tab. So this way will also increase engagement amongst your subscribers as well and get them some idea on what you have done within that week. Of course, posts like celebration your small wins, your goals, your milestone, you can also put up on your community tab as well. So in a nutshell, treat your community tab in your YouTube just like I would say Instagram stories. It's raw, it's authentic, it's off the gut. So some of these things can actually increase engagement and also views as well on your YouTube channel. The second underrated feature on YouTube is the auto-sync subtitles. I really love these auto-sync subtitles because it allows me to reach out to the non-English speaking audience. So how to do these auto-sync subtitles, I'm going to show you right now. So imagine you have already uploaded a video and it already processing, and after you have updated all the description, the thumbnail, basically everything that is needed in the details, you click on next. Under the video elements, this is the part that you can actually add in the subtitles. Click on the add subtitles by clicking the add button, and from here all you need to do is just click on that shiny little stars auto sync. Once you click on this auto sync, it will sync up what you talk about on the videos and have in every language. I'm going to show you how it looks like when you do the auto sync subtitles. Okay, so this is the video that I've already uploaded, and I notice I'm wearing the same outfit. Yes, so this is the video that I already uploaded. So if you look at the side over here, there is like an icon that says subtitles closed captions. So if you were to click on this, it will turn on the captions of this particular video, and it will be in English. All right, if you want to change, like for example, if I am a non-English speaking audience, I can change the language. All I need to do is just go to the settings of this video and go to the subtitles function, and then go into auto translate. So I can auto translate to any language that I want. So for example, if I want Chinese simplified, it will then auto translate whatever I say in English into Chinese. And I feel that YouTube has already evolved in such a way that they have simplified the captions or the subtitles and make it as near as possible. But of course, you can also edit in the YouTube studio if it's not correctly spelled or in terms of the way that you speak. The third underrated feature is the playlist. I feel that not a lot of creators uses playlists to group their videos together. This is basically great if you have a lot of videos on your YouTube channel, long form video content. You can actually combine them together in different niche or different categories for your videos so that it's easier for your audience to look or search for the particular videos that they want to look out for. Let me show you how you can actually create playlists and what kind of videos or what kind of categories you should create inside your playlist, and what's the advantage of having playlists on your YouTube channel. So this is my playlist. It's under my YouTube page itself. So if you go into playlists, I have multiple playlists that I've already created. I categorize my videos in playlists where I want my audience to watch more if they happen to watch one of the video and they want to watch other videos as well in the same category. So I do have beginner friendly, frequently asked questions, video ideas, conversations with, tutorial, video tips, and tech talk. So some of the videos overlaps with each other in terms of the playlist itself. It's okay because sometimes some of the videos that are in tutorial, it can be a beginner friendly as well. So for example, right, you do have certain videos where it's talking about maybe like gardening 101. You can create a playlist just based on gardening 101, and if you do have advanced type of tips about gardening, you can have another playlist for the advanced motion. So how do I create my playlist? I will simply just go into my YouTube studio. I will click on this create button and new playlist. Okay, I can create the title of the playlist, the description, and also the visibility. One thing I like about playlist, it is SEO friendly, so you have SEO opportunities whenever you create a playlist itself within the YouTube channel. So use keywords in your description. Do not leave it blank because it is all keywords search friendly. So whenever people are searching for certain keywords that you have inside your YouTube channel, your playlist or your videos will come out in their search. Okay, so if you look at my playlist under the content, you look at the playlist, I do have description in certain playlists. So some of the playlists I actually leave it blank because I wanted to see how's the reaction or how's the click-through rate in terms of the videos itself for that particular playlist. And I noticed that there's a lot of videos that actually reach out to the audience that has not subscribed to my YouTube channel when I have playlists with the description because it is SEO friendly. So whenever you are uploading a video, always choose the playlist that you want it to appear. You can create playlists under your YouTube studio, or you can create playlists when you are actually uploading the video itself. For example, I want to create a new playlist. So I can also do something like this. I can go to create, I can go to upload videos. So let's say I upload one video. I can create a new playlist in the video details itself. So when you uploaded a new video, you go under details, scroll down until you see playlist, and then you will see this playlist drop down box. All right, click on the drop down icon and you can actually create new playlists within these details as well. So what I like to do is I create in the YouTube studio itself rather than in the video upload. So it's easier for me whenever I want to upload future videos with the similar niche. The final and the fourth underrated feature that I want to share with you is the remix. This is the remix when you want to upload your long form video content into your short form video content. And this is something that is a lot of small creators forgot to do, or they're just not familiar how to do a remix. So this feature, you have to go to your phone. You can go to your YouTube channel Alright, so I want to remix a particular video from my long form video content. So what I do is I go to videos and I choose any of my long form videos content that I want to remix, or basically I want to repurpose into shorts. So I click on any of the video. There under your name, there's a thumbs up, thumbs down, share, remix and download. So click on that remix icon. And you can actually do a cut, green screen, sound, and also edit into short. So what I want you to do is to edit this long form video into short. When you edit it into short, it will automatically have that 15 seconds of your video that you want to upload into your shorts. You can change at the top part here, you can change 15 or you can change 60. It's all up to you which portion of the video that you want to upload into your YouTube shorts. But in this way, right, you kind of like repurpose it in a very smart way. You don't have to recreate, you don't have to re-edit, you just have a snippets of whatever that you already have in your long form video content and cut it and upload it into short. So for example, I just want to upload 15 seconds of this video. Give example that I like this part. Okay, so I click on next. So this is the video that is going to be uploaded into your short. You can add in text, you can add in voiceover. So if let's say you don't want the voice from the video to be uploaded into shorts, you can do a voiceover, basically to just like give a gist of what this short is all about. You can also, when you want to add in certain text at certain point, you can add in the use the timeline. So for example, if I want to add in the text, right, so let's say I want to put hello, all right, and I want this hello to only appear at certain space. So I just drag the cursor, the box at the side, pinch it, and you will notice that the video or the text itself will only appear at that certain point that I want it to be. Okay, this is how timeline works. So after that, you can also add in filters if you want. So once you are done, you're happy with it, you can go to next. So once you go to next, this is where you can add in your caption of your short. It's only available with 100 characters. You can also change the thumbnail of that particular short, but at this point of time, you can only choose the certain part of the area of your shot. You cannot upload like a new picture or a new thumbnail, etc. Okay, how you can choose this thumbnail of that shot is to click on that pencil icon, and you can choose certain area that you want to have for the thumbnail for your shot. Okay, once you click on done, and you can add in your caption, you can add in the visibility, or you can schedule your shorts. You can also add in location, etc, etc. And then after that you are done, you tap on the upload shot. So what happens once you uploaded your short into your YouTube? You will see just below your name, there's a created from Renee Ismail. When you actually click on your YouTube channel name, right, it will go to the long form video that is being cut to form the shorts. So in this way, if they are interested to hear what you have got to say more, your audience can click on your name and it will go to your long form content. So it's really easy for you to repurpose because YouTube Shorts is now booming, right? Make sure you remix your long form video content and turn it into shorts so that you don't have to recreate all over again. So another way that you can also do is if you have other videos like TikTok videos or Instagram videos that you want to repurpose on shorts, or you can also have videos where you have already created or you have already repurposed before but it's linked to your long form video content. So for example, I actually appeared on 2 different podcasts recently. So they sent me the short form video content. So all I did was I uploaded that short form video content into my shorts and I add in the full link to the video in the comment. So they can also watch the full video because it's not from my own YouTube channel, right? And I pin it. So for example, if my audience wants to watch the full video or whoever come across my YouTube shorts itself, they can easily go into the long form video content by clicking the link in my comment. If you're a small YouTube creator like myself, tapping on these underrated features on YouTube really helps to grow your YouTube channel. If you found this video useful, click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, insights, and tips. While you wait for my next video, here's a video about YouTube Shorts, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth it to explore as a small YouTube creator. You wouldn't want to miss this. See you in the next one. Okay, so what am I supposed to share? Explain a bit what commenter is.